Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Lovely You stamp set as well as the plaid tiding 6x6 designer series paper. Wanted to speak about the Lovely You stamp set. It is part of a bundle. It is bundled with a punch that gives you a couple of different options. I think it's called Pick a Label Punch or something like that. And I will be doing an online class shortly. It's going to come out. I just haven't gotten there yet, but it is in the workings. But today I wanted to share with you the plaid tidings that just came out of the mini catalog. You will find that information on page 57. This is the card kit. It comes with a couple of envelopes and 2 design choices. I have all cut these little pieces of plaid down. My first size is 3.5 inches tall by 2 wide. Second piece is 1 3/4 inch wide and 2 inches tall. Then third one is 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And the fourth one is 1 1/4 inches by 1.5 inches. Rectangle. I have used the ornate frames for this particular card just because I'm dealing with rectangles and square edges, and I sometimes feel that circles don't work well with squares. They do, I suppose, in certain cases, but for me, I like, if I'm using square or rectangles or sharp corners, I would go with a square-ish type of a label for your sentiment. So this is how they're put together. You will get, like a 1/4 of an inch sort of on the outside and maybe 1/8 of an inch for in between each of the plaid pieces. This does remind me of my father, who has passed on sadly many years ago, but he was a fellow who would wear plaid on his bottoms and plaid on the top, and they wouldn't be the same matching plaid. And he wasn't colorblind or anything. I just don't think he cared. But, and he certainly did love the plaid. So you can use the plaid pieces on this colored cardstock. Some options I gave was the cinnamon cider, and the other option was basic black. And if you are happy with the way the plaid looks on the card, you can use this whisper white piece for the inside of your card. But I happen to like the pop of white course that I'm getting for the card front. So I decided to use my whisper white piece in a mat, just like a mat, so that you're going to get, and it does fit correctly. So the mat is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And like I said, you're just going to use your favorite adhesive of choice. And my favorite adhesive right now is the Stampin' Seal. Love it. I also love the Stampin' Seal Plus too. And you can see that I didn't cut that one piece of paper very well. Please forgive me. I have cut many of these. But it doesn't really matter because that's where the sentiment piece is going to go anyway. So I popped my sentiments up on dimensionals, and here is my mat being adhered to my cinnamon cider card front. I tried really hard to make sure that you weren't getting repeats of the plaid, but think about how versatile this particular design could be using a whole bunch of different pattern papers. Anyway, that is my card kit for this month. I really appreciate you watching. Please watch out for the Lovely You card class that I have coming up shortly. And that's it for me. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.